Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make spinach dip easy. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 10 ounces of frozen spinach, 8 ounces of cream cheese, and 1 cup of sour cream. Don't forget 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, plus some garlic powder and onion flakes for that perfect flavor. Make sure your cream cheese is softened for easier mixing. Now, let's get mixing. Start by thawing and draining your 10 ounces of frozen spinach very well. Excess water can make your dip runny. In a large bowl, combine the 8 ounces of softened cream cheese with 1 cup of sour cream. Then, stir in 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of onion flakes until everything is smooth. Once your base is smooth, gently fold in the well-drained spinach. Make sure it's evenly distributed throughout the creamy mixture for consistent flavor in every bite. This step is crucial for texture. After mixing, cover the bowl and chill your spinach dip in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully, enhancing the overall taste. For an extra layer of flavor, you might consider stirring in 1/4 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese before chilling. When it's time to serve, this easy spinach dip pairs wonderfully with a variety of dippers like pita chips, sturdy crackers, or fresh vegetable sticks such as carrots and celery. It's always a crowd pleaser. Also, for a fantastic way to keep your home spotless, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.